Why everyone is here together under one roof for the grand launch. Before we begin, I'm going to show you all a few videos, few clips of all the entire music fraternity coming together to send good wishes to Eternal Sounds. So can we have the AV please? All attention to the screen.
Namaskar, this is Mr. Mohan Bhatt, and I am very happy because during these time, all the music companies they disappeared, and there was a dire need for a good company which can produce quality music. For this Pradhan and Shri Mayank Jalan, and of course Pandit Vikram Ghosh, all the best for their new venture. We hope that we will have the good music which was desired since a long time. All the best, Eternal Sound.
Eternal Sound is a new company with an ideology to produce music of quality across all genres.
Bhandarkar over here, my best wishes to the Eternal Sound Music Company. I'm sure you're going to have a great collaboration in music, and my best wishes to the entire team. Utsav Parikh, Mayank Jalan, Gaurang Jalan, and the very talented music director Vikram Ghosh. I'm sure you guys are going to rock. My best wishes to the entire team.
And a big shout out to Eternal Sounds, a new company with an ideology to produce music of quality across all genres, creatively spearheaded by Maestro Vikram Ghosh. The company aims at producing music that will do justice to the huge kaleidoscope of musical traditions that exist in our country, in India. And I wish the four partners of this company, Shri Utsav Parikh, Shri Mayank Jalan, Shri Gaurang Jalan,